everyone, welcome back to DevOps Talk. So today I'm super excited to introduce the ultimate Docker series or Docker workshop you can say. So in this workshop we are going to learn everything you need to know about Docker and containers from the absolute basics to all the way to the real world hands-on projects, right? So whether you are a developer or DevOps engineer or just someone curious about how modern applications run, this course will take you from zero to a Docker pro. Once you complete this entire series, you will have a solid understanding of Docker, how container actually work, and how to use them confidently in real projects. And the best part, this complete workshop is absolutely free, which is available right here on my YouTube channel under this course section. So here's what we will be covering. So first we'll cover intro to workshop. We'll start with what Docker is, why it is needed, and how it fits into today's tech ecosystem. Then in the second one, we'll be seeing understanding Docker. We will go in depth into how Docker works, how it evolved, and what makes containers so powerful. And the third one is installing Docker. You will learn how to set up Docker on your system, whether you are using Windows, Mac OS or Linux. So we'll be seeing that in the third section, right? Then in the fourth section we'll be seeing Docker concept, like it will be very basics but little bit in depth. So we'll be breaking down what exactly is a container, what is an image, or what is a registry, and how Docker Compose makes managing multi-container apps super easy. So we'll be understanding that. So it will be gonna bit basic, but little bit you can discuss about it. I'll just put that. All right. Then in the fifth part, we'll be seeing building images. You will understand how images are built layer by layer. So you can write your own Docker files. You can build, tag, and publish images, and even optimize them with multi-stage builds. So we'll be seeing that in building images part. Then the sixth one is running containers. So in that we'll explore how to publish and expose ports, override container defaults, persist container data, then share local files with containers and run multi-container application. And here is the most important part, which is the workshop, which is the hero part of this series, which would be the hands-on section, right? So this is where it all comes together. We will containerize the real application step by step. In part 1, we'll cover containerize the application. In part 2, update the application. In part 3, share the application. In part 4, persist the database. In part 5, we'll use bind mounts. In part 6, we'll see build multi-container apps. In part 7, we will use Docker Compose. In part 8, we'll learn image building with best practices. In part 9, discuss what's next and how to move forward. Alright, so by the end of this course, you won't just know Docker commands, you will understand Docker as a whole system, how containers work internally, how to build and ship applications efficiently, and how Docker fits into DevOps and cloud native workflows. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the real world of Docker. See you on the next slide.